Hi guys, so sorry I can't make use of the phone's camera because there is background noise and it's going to affect the voice because it's even low. Yeah, so opening the package now. The package came really late, like a whole week. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I guess this is an invoice, a receipt for the transaction. Yeah, from Jumia, a receipt from Jumia that shows how much I bought it and the rest. So for the mic, it came in this package. You see, I don't know if you can see the name on it. It's right there, Andoer. It's the brand is Andoer. So this is how it came. So we're going to bring it out now and see how it works. Yeah, so that's the name Andoer microphone. Yeah, I don't know why it took so long because I wasn't even expecting it to take this long. I thought it's something I can get next day. Alright, so I guess this is for the laptop. Yeah, and that's the mic itself. So we're going to be testing it now. Alright, so we bring it out and slot it into the phone. The wire is quite long, which is good because it's going to make it more functional. Yeah, because we really need the wire long. Guys, so here is a mic and this is how it looks. It's so pretty. I hope it works really well. And this is like an accessory for it. I guess it's for the laptop. I have not tried it, so we're going to be trying it now. Alright, so slot it inside the phone. Wow, I've just slotted it in and I can't hear anything. Like it's not working. There's no way I'm going to waste my money on this. I would have to go online and see how to make it work because it actually not come with a manual. So a moment please. So guys, it feels well. So I've just plugged it in. Oh, okay. I'm not supposed to be holding it. I'm supposed to hang it. I'm going to look for a place to hang it here. Okay. So I've just hanged it on my clothes. I was actually talking very low so that my baby is sleeping. I didn't want to wake her up. Okay. So this is me talking low. So let me talk loud. Like this is the normal voice I would use stock. Okay. So the lapel microphone is working on the open camera because I tried, using it on my normal camera. It didn't work. So I had to go online, search for videos or information about how to use the lapel microphone because it didn't come with a manual. I was just like you saw just now, it just the package from Jumia, the invoice and the microphone. There was no manual, so I had to go online and made research on how to use the lapel microphone. So I came across a video that gave me the full information I need, and yeah, here I am. So what you do is first off, when you plug in the lapel microphone, you check if it is compatible with your phone. It wasn't compatible with mine, so that's why I had to go and look for how to make it work. So you check for compatibility. If it doesn't work with yours, don't get overworked. Don't stress it too much. So what you do is you go to Google Play Store. If you're using an Android phone, go to Play Store, you download Open Camera. Yeah, that Open Camera allows you to choose an outside microphone. So you go to Play Store, download Open Camera and install it. Once it's installed, allow all permissions that it requests, then you launch it. And so once you've launched the Open Camera, you go to settings, because on the screen you see settings. Now under settings, you look for audio source, then you select that option. It will show you different choices. So you choose to use external mic. So that's how you get it working. Now, but the Open Camera it's not too bright, because that's what I'm using presently. I'm just using my natural lights. I am not in any form of controlled environment. It's just the sunlight coming through my window. So the Open Camera can be a bit darker than your usual camera. So you just play around the settings and adjust the brightness and the rest. But then this is the lapel microphone I'm using currently. Now I'm going to unplug it so that you see the difference between using between using the lapel microphone and not using it. Okay, so here I go. So I've just removed the lapel microphone plug. I've just removed it now. I hope you can notice the difference. Yeah. So let me plug it back and you see. Now, this is me talking with the lapel microphone. Now I had it clipped to my top here. So let's test for the ranges. Now this is it really close to my mouth. You see, it's so, yeah, it makes a whole lot of difference. And let me take it very far away from my mouth. You see, it's down here, and you can still pick a bit of this thing, but then you have to put it not too far or too close to your mouth. So maybe it depends on what you're wearing though. You can look for a good position for it, just right below your mouth, because if it is too far away or too close, it might not give you the required results. So you clip it here and yeah, you're good. So in summary, the lapel microphone, before I forget, there is this one here. I guess it's for the laptop. I've not actually tried it on my laptop, so I guess it's for the laptop. So in summary, the lapel microphone works, but it has to be compatible with your device. And if you're using an Android phone, because I'm using an Android phone, I've not made research I've not tested it on an iPhone or a laptop. So I'm using an Android phone currently. If the lapel mic is not compatible with your Android phone, don't stress it. Just go to Play Store, download the Open Camera, download the Open Camera, set it up, go to settings, go to audio source and choose external microphone, and you'll be good. As for the brightness of the video, there are a few things you can do. You can try to see the different locations you can be to have a better a better video, yeah, or you can decide to get stage light and the rest. All right, so that's all for the Lapel microphone, Andoer Lapel microphone review. Now that I have the Lapel mic, I'm going to be updating you about the 1 million naira in 1 month challenge I gave myself. So if you don't know about it, you can watch the previous video on it, and also watch the update for the 1 million naira in 1 month challenge I gave myself. So see you there. Bye.